Hey there, thanks for tuning into our channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless Bluetooth earphones with the original Pro 6 TWS. Whether you're a Xiaomi user or on Android, these earphones offer seamless connectivity with their advanced Bluetooth technology. Not to mention, they come with a waterproof design, so you can enjoy your music during workouts or even in the rain without any worries. One of the standout features of these earphones is the balanced armature principle, which ensures crystal clear, high-quality sound for an immersive audio experience. And with the built-in control button, you can easily manage your music and calls without having to reach for your device. The compact and portable design of the Pro 6 TWS makes them perfect for travel, workouts, or just everyday use. Plus, they don't have active noise cancellation, allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings while still enjoying your favorite tunes. That's not all. These earphones also come with a range of additional features, including fast charging, long playing time, binaural call capability, and automatic pairing. With the upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 chip, you can expect improved performance and seamless connectivity up to 10 meters. So, if you're looking for a wireless Bluetooth earphone that delivers on both sound quality and functionality, the original Pro 6 TWS is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on a pair today and take your music to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy listening.